In this episode, we'll explore the fascinating origin story of the kanji character, EA. Welcome to Kanji World. The kanji character, EA, represents the concept of house, or home, in Japanese. But did you know that its origin is shrouded in mystery? Let's take a closer look. The character EA is made up of two parts: the roof radical ben, men, and the character shi, which means pig. According to one theory, the character shi was originally a pictogram of a pig, representing the idea of shelter or protection. The roof radical ben, men, which symbolizes a roof or a shelter, was added to give the character a more concrete meaning. Another theory suggests that the character shi represents the domestication of pigs, which played an important role in Japanese agricultural society. The mien radical was added to convey the idea of a household or a family. Regardless of its origin, the kanji character EA has evolved to represent the concept of home and family in Japanese culture. From traditional Japanese homes to modern households, the ja character continues to play a central role in Japanese language and culture. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the history of the kanji character EA. Be sure to subscribe to Kanji World for more fascinating stories about Japanese characters. See you next time.